Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I'm going to show you how you could actually travel for a month or more with just this right here. So this is basically my whole travel package. I have done reviews on both the actual travel bag right here and also this travel on case right here. But I'm going to show you how you could actually travel for quite a bit of time and get more in than you would think, and at the same time save tons of money on actually checking your bags, especially if you're going to have to go for extended periods of time, and in this case a month or more traveling. So let's first start off with the very important bag that I carry around with me all the time, which is my Lowepro bag. And the first thing is there's area right here. You could carry like a various accessories or papers. You can put that right there. And these next two compartments are where I have the most important things. Right here is actually where I keep all my camera gear. So obviously I'm using my camera right now. And then right behind that is the all-important laptop. You could actually put in, I think I'm up to a 15-inch laptop, which is what I have here. I think it's like a 15.3 inch. And then down here I actually have my cell phone. And down here you actually have an area where you could put even more accessories. And right here they actually have a bag for more things. And so I did do a full review on this, and you could check that out. I will leave that in the description area below. But this is an extremely versatile bag for all your essentials that you could carry around with you all the time. And as a matter of fact, if you're going to go on a short trip, you could probably just take this and just put in a few pieces of clothing, and that's all you'd need. So this right here is the big one. This is actually the Samsonite travel-on carry-on case, and this is a hard shell case. I think this is like a 21-inch spinner, and so this should be able to carry on for most flights. And so let me go ahead and open this up. And as you can see here, I have a lot of stuff here. So I'm not going to take everything out, but needless to say, I have a lot of clothes here. Here's a jacket. And then here is a lot of clothes, and I have packed this differently than my previous video because I'm staying longer. And then whenever you let go of this compression, you can actually access more items right here. I'm not going to take everything out here, but you can add more items right down here, and which I definitely use. I actually have shoes down there as well. And here I also have one of these travel cubes as well. More clothing and accessories here. And this is like basically all the bathroom goods, you know, toothpaste and stuff. I have all of that right here. And then right here underneath the zipper, I have another laptop. I actually carry around two different laptops. And on top of it, if you actually open this up down here, you actually have more room if you want to put clothes there, but I decided to put my laptop. But there's another secret compartment just like the other side, and I actually have even more clothes down here as well. I have about a month's worth, or actually more than a month's worth of clothing right here. Everything from real casual things like t-shirts all the way to much I would say nicer clothing, at least more formal. And like on the other side of the compartment, I actually had my pants and shorts, and so this will actually get you through a month or more, depending on how much you want to pack. But I think this is an excellent combo. And then along with my Lowepro bag right here, I could actually travel to a lot of places and stay much longer without having to have a big carry-on cases, and definitely without having to check these in and pay even more money. So that's it for this travel tip episode. As you can see here, I have quite a bit of stuff, but at the same time it's something that you could carry on, so that allows you to pack more than what you need, more than enough for most people who are traveling, but at the same time not so much that you can't just carry it with you. Now obviously you could go the ultra minimal route and just do this bag by itself. I might go ahead and try this, but it's just going to be for like maybe a week's trip. Whereas this one, you could go a lot longer and you could be more versatile in what you could bring. And so if you had any thoughts on this, whether you are traveling yourself like I do, or maybe you are more of a minimalist packer, you should leave that in the commentary below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.